Hi guys! Lalabas ako ngayon. Ipipick up ko lang yung mga pinadry clean namin. So, ito lang. Nakaano lang ako kasi mainit. Andyan yung araw but it's cold. So, this is my outfit. Ayan. So, tara guys, sama kayo. So, isi-share ko lang sa inyo yung mga nabili ko. So, naglibot-libot ako as usual. Wala namang magawa kundi maglibot-libot. So, may mga nakita akong kaakit-akit sa aking mata. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys. So, from H&M, I got this as well. I've got these two sweaters. I don't know if I'm gonna give it to my... One of these will go to my daughter. So, I don't know which one. This is so cheap, guys. It's just $5. It was $24.99. Yan. Cute, no? And the other one, same price, $5. This one. Curl Click. It says Curl Click. And the other one is Rebel Girl. Revolution. Yeah, only the two of them. And then this one, I got this from Valley Girl. This is a very cheap shop when you can buy stuff from $5 up, and now they're having some sale as well. So I just got this one. Kulay orange siya. Yan, na medyo para siyang ano, close neck. So, yan. Ganyan siya. So, this is just $4.95, guys. Naka-sale siya. Dati siyang $6.95. Naging $4.95 na lang. Okay siya, diba? Yan. So, yan lang ang nabili ko, guys, so far. So, yes. So, that's it for my vlog today. And I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe and leave a That's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. And if you do, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And see you again on my next video. Bye!